Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're continuing our 12-part series on PPE with today we'll be talking about 7.4, the fourth video on face protection. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. Most workers think about protecting their eyes, and that's good. You should. But today I want you to think about something bigger. Take your hand and touch your face, your nose, your jaw, your lips, your teeth, your cheeks. Now imagine a grinder wheel fragment hitting any of those areas at full speed. Suddenly, face protection doesn't seem like such a nuisance anymore. Because today we're talking about protecting something you use every single day, your face. Let's talk about the realities of facial injuries. Construction sites create energy. Grinding wheels spin thousands of revolutions per minute. Cut-off saws throw debris. Torching creates sparks in molten metal. Pressure washers can propel material. Compressed air can launch particles. Chemical products can splash unexpectedly. And when those hazards strike the face, the consequences can be severe. The face contains eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, skin, nerves, blood vessels, all concentrated in a very small area. A single incident can cause multiple injuries simultaneously. Safety glasses are not face shields. This is one of the biggest misconceptions on job sites. Safety glasses protect the eyes. Face shields protect the face. They are not interchangeable. And here's an important point. A face shield is usually worn with safety glasses, not instead of them. Because debris can travel around or underneath a shield, the shield protects the face. The glasses protect the eyes. You often need both. Here are some tasks that require additional face protection. Workers should think carefully about grinding, torch cutting, chipping, pressure washing, chemical handling, battery maintenance, welding, abrasive blasting, high-pressure systems. These activities create hazards that extend beyond the eyes. The entire face may be at risk. How about some excuses? And we've heard them all. It's just one quick cut. I've done this for years. I don't need the shield. It's too hot. It's hard to see. The problem? Facial injuries don't care how experienced you are. The laws of physics treat everyone equally. A fragment traveling 100 miles per hour doesn't stop and ask how many years you've been in the trade. And there's burns and chemical exposure. Not every facial injury comes from impact. Sometimes the hazard is heat. Sometimes it's chemicals, a splash of acid, a cleaning solution, battery electrolyte, caustic materials, welding sparks, molten metal. These hazards can permanently damage skin, eyes, and airways within seconds. And once tissue is burned, there may be no undo button. Let's talk about inspection and care. Face shields should be inspected for cracks, scratches, clouding, damaged headgear, missing components. If you can't see through it clearly, replace it. Protection only works when it's in good condition. In closing, your face is how people recognize you. It's how you communicate. It's how you smile. It's how you speak. It's how you experience the world. And once a severe facial injury occurs, life may never look exactly the same again. So wear the right protection. Wear it for the task. Inspect it before use. Replace it when necessary, not because it's required, because you're protecting something far more important than skin. You're protecting quality of life. And some things are too valuable to risk for the sake of convenience. Stay safe, stay sharp, and stay on time. All right, boys and girls, thanks for stopping by and thanks for watching. Make sure that you give me the thumbs up down below to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to the channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature and you'll be notified of new releases. Make sure you share this video with associates and coworkers and comment on the content of this video. And until we see each other again, as always, look out for yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. And most importantly, have a grateful day, and I'll see you next time. Safety is all on you. It's all on you, man.